Hello guys, today I am here to discuss about my new project FairShare. It's a kind of expense tracker, but it tracks the individual expenses of members during a group trip. So let us go through it. I will create a new account here. So it's already hosted, so you can try it also. Uh, Let me enter the URL, create a new account. So here I am on the dashboard, select category. The second category is currently not available because it's just a common thing. The unique thing is the group expense tracker and smart debt settlement system. So we will click group trips. So here no trips are created because the user is new. So let us create a new trip. I'm create a new trip called so a new trip is created. So I can go into that. So here is our individual trip dashboard. What I can do here, I am the admin, so I have access to end the trip. So when I will end the trip, it will calculate all the expenses, calculate the per head share, and the smart debt settlement system will give me suggestions to settle debt. I will show it later. So I can see payment history here, all the transactions done by members. I can here add members from the global member list. I can search it also. I will not do it here because it will take some time. So I will go through an existing account where I have created all of this already. So let me log in that test account which I have created earlier. So she is the admin of that trip because she created that trip. So I have logged in with that. The Goa trip is already created. So I have already invited my friends in that trip. They have already did some transactions, and the transactions are added to their total spend. So here we can see that transaction history from flight tickets, coffee at airport by some person like we can say paid by Riya Prajapati, paid by Lesh, paid by you know multiple users. So here I am going to add new member which I have created just before. So let us invite that new account, the new member which was like Piyush Govindani. Let us invite him. I have invited him. So the invitation is here for Piyush. So now I will accept that invitation of the group trip Goa. So now I am added to group trip Goa. So I can add spends here. Like I have spent 5,000 somewhere. I have to specify where I have spent that money. So I think I have spent that at boating. I have added that spend. So that amount will be added to my total amount during that trip and the individual transaction also. Okay. So here it tracks all the transaction of all the users and add them up for their individual transactions. So here the admin access, I can show you the admin access. So here we can see that Parul Sharma is admin. So here you can set your UPI pin to accept the payments after the trip gets completed. So here the admin can remove the members. No other one can remove the members. Only admin have access to remove the members. Anyone can add members, but only admin can remove the members. So here I am the admin, like Parul Sharma is admin. So she can end the trip. So she will end the trip. The calculations will be performed, and here we can see the total trip cost, the per head share. So there are many members who have spent less than per head share. So there are some people who have spent more than per head share. So there is no fair share between them. No, so they have to, you know, calculate that by sitting and taking pen and paper, and that it's very headache and time taking process. So we have simplified it for them. So our smart debt settlement system will automatically calculate the per head share and give the smart debt settlement we can say debt settlement recommendations for them. So yeah, Parul can send that much amount to Nilesh so that debt will be settled. So everyone will be on their per head share. So that is the smart debt settlement system. So here I can notify members. So all the members will get the email notification for that group trip. Okay. So here now I am using a web browser version of FairShare. So I can't make payments directly from that because I have not installed any UPI app in laptop. So if you are using the progressive web app version of FairShare or using a web browser version in your mobile phone, so you can pay directly via your UPI. So we can see that the here is showing the receiver has not added his UPI ID yet. So the user has to add his UPI ID from here. Like I can update UPI ID, like example at the rate 5 PM. So Parul Sharma has added her UPI ID so she can receive the payments. So here Nilesh also has to add his UPI ID to receive payments from other members. So the progressive app has that feature. So it's not a mobile phone. It's like I'm saying that it's open in web browser in my laptop. So I can't pay from here. UPI ID I'm using. So Nilesh has not added his UPI ID. So he has to add his UPI ID by here. So he will, if he will add this UPI ID, so Parul can pay him directly from my application. The amount will be pre-entered. So Paytm, PhonePe, Google Pay, any of the app she can use. So there is also a help page to help people who are not aware of that features also, who are not watching that video. So they can learn using from that. And this is only an about us page. Yeah, they can read us about our story. So they are the developers. So it was all about FairShare. Thank you for listening.